Welcome to this edition of OWS Video FAQs. In this tutorial we will discuss mobile push notifications and how to enable them. This is a great new feature enhancement to OWS, so let's jump right in. Inside of the alert rule setup is the user notifications section. In that section you can determine which users or user groups are to receive the alert, and now you can choose whether that alert comes via email, push notification, or both. Simply select the checkbox under push notification to enable it for that user or user group. Users may receive a mobile push notification including the associated video whenever alert condition is detected by OWS. This information can be used to visually verify the incident so the appropriate action may be taken. Users may receive alert notification whenever motion is detected, an event happens on a DMP XR or XT series panel, a video analytic event occurs, or a traditional sensor device is triggered. Health of the recorder and camera can also be pushed as certain conditions are met, like low storage or video not recording, etc. We'll go deeper into the push notification demonstration a little later on. But if you take a look at the slide, you can very easily see that the alert comes in and you get notification. You can then open it up and see the snapshot and determine at that point if you want to view the video or the details. If you go into the video and you go into the playback and you go from there. It's very simple to do, and again we'll demonstrate that in just a little bit. The objectives for the live presentation are demonstrating how to enable push notifications for a new alert, demonstrating how to view alerts and associated video, and finally demonstrating how to silence or snooze alerts. So let's start by jumping into an existing alert rule in OWS and showing how easy it is to enable push notifications, and then we can look at push notifications in action with the mobile application. Alright, so here we are within OWS, and I've gone into alerts and I've selected an alert rule. Now inside of the alert rule we can see that there are sections over here on the left where you can define the rule and select the camera. In this case it's a motion type of alert, so you would pick the camera that goes with it, and then there's the users and notifications section that we're in right now. What you can see is that I have added myself as a recipient of this, and I have also gone ahead and checked this box to say I would like to receive this alert via push notification. If I wanted email, I could go ahead and check the email box as well, and I can get that alert as an email. You can toggle these on and off, just as simple as you're seeing now, and that's how easy it is to set up an alert to then go out as a push notification. So very simple to do, just wanted to show that. So now let's go ahead and let's jump into the mobile application and let's look at some live notifications and playing back that video and snoozing those alerts, etc. Let's jump in and take a look at that now. And let's go ahead and take a look at some of these push notifications. So again, with OWS 1.7, you can now receive your alerts as a push notification. And here they are. So I have things, again, here's an unauthorized access. To view that, all we have to do is push on the clip, or you can slide it to the side and you can then view it or manage it any way that you're comfortable with. So here's our problem child again. And we could go ahead, if we want to view that, now that we've seen the snapshot and the thumbnail, we can go right ahead and we can view video. So if we want to do that, we simply just play view video, and it's going to go right into the application and then play that back for us. Within the playback, we have nice features, so you can go forwards, backwards, you can stop, you can pause, you can jump up, you download an image, so that can get dropped in. You can change the quality, so we could kick this over to high, and then once that's in, you can play that, and if you turn it sideways, maybe we can back it up. We can see this person come back into view as they come, and again, it's extremely nice and a very, very powerful set of features within there. We have some other ones here, such as areas armed and disarmed. You can see all of those various ones as well. And then here's a whole bunch of motion detections. I let these build up because I wanted to make an example of this. Let's assume that you get motion detection alerts, again, just after hours. And you go into the office on Saturday morning to catch up on some work, and you're running around the office and you're being detected on motion, and your phone's blowing up with a lot of these alerts. So you want to virtually snooze them, as it were, for a while. It's really easy to do. So to do so, you can simply hold down on the notification or slide to the left and then go to Manage. So in this case, what I can say is I can deliver it quietly, or I can say turn off. Now, I get a lot of alerts. I don't want to turn them all off. I only want to turn off that motion. So to do that, we just say configure in OpenEye, and right here it is. I can actually turn it back on, or I can turn it off. It's really, really easy to do. So I can do that straight from the notification. From the application, I can always go back into notifications as well within the OpenEye mobile and turn it back on and off from there as well. So there's a whole lot of power within this. But again, it's video verification. You get an alert, you want to see the snapshot, it's of interest, let's get this done and let's attend to it. A few specific takeaways to consider here, please. All alert rules can now be set to send push notifications as well as email notifications by simply selecting the appropriate box during the notification setup. Push notifications received on the mobile device will show a snapshot of the alert. You can choose to view video based off the snapshot. Alert notifications can be toggled on and off using the mobile application. Alerts allow you to quickly determine if an event needs immediate attention. This concludes this video FAQ. If you have questions, please contact training@openeye.net. Join us again for more interesting videos. There's more to be seen.